If you're looking for a simple, privacy-friendly WordPress analytics tool, then the Burst Statistics plugin may be the one for you. With over 50,000 active installations, it is in the top 10 plugins of 2022. It's not a complete Google Analytics alternative, as it lacks any e-commerce tracking features. It is being developed by the same team as the really simple SSL and compliance plugins. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard and install the Burst Statistics plugin from the official repository. Activate the plugin and it will start collecting information about your visitors. You will see a new statistics page in the dashboard section. Switch to the Settings tab and look at the available options. I tend to enable all three options. In the Advanced panel, you can exclude certain roles from being tracked and even exclude certain IPs. A nice feature is the ability to quickly add your own IP. Don't forget to save your changes. This is what the statistics page looks like after several days. You can see the number of page views, sessions, visitors, and the bounce rate. There is also information about the devices used by your visitors, where your traffic is coming from, and your top pages by page views. In the Insights panel, you can include the other two metrics for bounces and sessions. Clicking on a graph label will hide it. When browsing your list of posts and pages, a new Page Views column will become available. You can hide or display it from the Screen Options panel. If you're worried about the database, currently the plugin creates 3 new tables and uses 2 of them. I also noticed that the plugin collects the user's device resolution, but currently this information is not displayed in the statistics panel. This plugin is a good fit for your website if all you care about is some basic website traffic information. I already replaced Google Analytics with it on over a dozen of my own websites. Thank you for watching.